Activity, ikaw at ako. This is a reflection and a self-rating activity. Rate your experience based on the level of feeling below. After rating it, explain the reasons behind. Ratings: 4. Very happy or very good. 3. Happy or good. 2. Sad or challenging. 1. Very sad, very challenging.
So let's go to our activity. Ang tawag natin dito, ikaw at ako. So titingnan natin kung ano yung differences ng experience natin bilang person with disability and person without disability. Meron tayong gagamiting pang rating. So 4 sila. Number 4, very happy. Number 3, happy. Number 2, sad. And number 1, very sad. So meron tayong iba't ibang klaseng statements na kung saan ito yung mga common na nangyayari sa mga buhay natin. At tingnan natin kung ano yung difference between person with disability and without disability. Itong activity na to, pwede siyang gawin via platform or virtually rather, basta nakakapag-breakout rooms, pwede siyang mga around 10 to 15 minutes. Pwedeng ganun lang na tayo. Dahil madali lang naman din mag-rating. So, ang difference nito sa ibang activities na nagawa natin, ngayon kasi, ang groupings natin dapat medyo iba. Pag sasama-samahin natin yung persons with disabilities at yung isang group naman, sila yung persons without disability. Regardless kung anong government agency sila, regardless kung God-focal person sila or hindi. Basta ang grouping natin sa activity na to, hiwalay yung person with disability at saka yung persons without disability. So, yun yung separation ng groups. And then, ito ang gagamitin nating lahat na rating.